of the many things that I take a chance on. मैंने मेरा फ़ोन एक्चुअली एक बड़ी awkward सी जगह पे एंगल में प्लेस किया हुआ है. I can just hope that it doesn't fall. But anyways, hi guys, I hope you're doing amazingly well. मेरा नाम ईशा है और मैं पिछले 4.5-5 महीनों से मेरे ही YouTube चैनल से मिसिंग थी क्योंकि I just had so many things to do, be, figure, and at a time you can only do so many things, so which is where video posting and making sort of got deprioritized, but here I am. वैसे भी आज फ्राइडे है, मुझे काफ़ी दिनों से ना आई वाज जस्ट गेटिंग लाइक दिस इंटरनल सिंकिंग फीलिंग के बॉस you have to post. So I just thought that even if it is very whatever, I should just get started again. About a month back मैंने मेरा यूजुअल नवरात्रि फास्टिंग किया. सो साल में 2 बार मैं 9 से 12 दिन के बीच का टाइम है. सो बेसिकली नवरात्रि के 9 दिन एंड प्लस माइनस 2-3 डेज़ इधर उधर मैं वाटर फास्टिंग करती हूँ. 12 दिन का वाटर फास्ट किया था. उस टाइम से ही आई जस्ट हैड स्टार्टेड गेटिंग दिस फीलिंग दैट लिसन ईशा, यू नीड टू, इफ़ यू कमिटेड के यू विल मेक वीडियोज़, यू शुड मेक वीडियोज़ बेसिकली. उस टाइम पे भी मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा ऑक्यूपाइड थी, तो मैं डेडिकेटेड सिनेमैटिक मास्टरपीसेस नहीं बना पा रही थी. तो मैं रोज़ छोटे छोटे वीडियोज़ बनाया करती थी. दिस इज़ पार्ट 1 ऑफ the first few days of my water fast. It might just appear very rough and all of that, but here it is. So it's 26th March, a little over 9:25 p.m. It's about 25 minutes since I started my 11-day Navratri water fast. Navratri technically begins from the 30th of April. With each passing water fast or Navratri, I will try shifting goalposts a little so that my body will never be able to anticipate what is going to come next. That's just my way of adding a little bit of drama, a little bit of fun and excitement, and test my body, to different extremes and limits, more than the fact that I'm not permitting myself to eat anything for these 11 days. It's a mental boot camp. It just works as like the greatest self confidence building thing ki agar if I set my mind on anything, there is nothing that I will not be able to do. So it teaches me patience, it teaches me gratitude, it helps me focus so much better. It, like, to a very large extent clears my skin, my body, and like it almost feels like how you switch off and switch on your phone, so वो restore to factory settings वाला situation हो जाता है. And usually besides like my work and my business stuff, मैं नवरात्रि के दिनों में I incrementally do like a whole lot more things. Like I'll go to different temples, I'll pray, I'll have rituals. And there's not like a single time that I feel weak, I feel lazy or not being able to do anything. I am always high on energy, and that's probably because my mind tells me that you have to do this, you have to do this. This is like the best part of the year. Chosen struggles के अंदर you can't even complain to anyone कि मैंने ये किया वो किया, हाई मैं नहीं खा सकती sorts. So there's never been any time when my mind tells me कि ये खाना है, ये पीना है, ये मन कर रहा है, ऐसे कर रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं. And it just feels so incredible to be in control of my temptations, how I am able to resist anything that comes by. So like, let's say I'm on my 8th or 9th day of fasting. If there is someone who's eating like chappan bhog is basically 56 delicacies in a thali, मुझे एक बार भी ऐसा मन नहीं करता है कि हाय मेरे को ये खाना है और so yeah, it just makes me feel so incredibly powerful. I'm very excited with things of this sort, especially like the rituals that I do for religious things. मुझे उसको advertise करना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Like I was telling so many people that fasting is like the greatest self-healing, mind training tool that is easily available to all of us. And the fact that I am able to self-train myself to not be eating for a good 11 to 12 days feels like I just feel supreme. So yeah, here's to water fasting. So I just completed the first day of my 11-day water fast. Honestly, इतना कुछ extraordinary अभी तो नहीं लग रहा because my body is already very used to fasting like for 48 hours easily. But yeah, somewhere at the back of my mind, I know that I have a good 10 more days to go, and that low-key feels a little scary, a little fierce to be honest, because I know I'm doing something super brave as usual. Like even on like long form fasting days, I make it a point to keep my weekly commitments and like schedule more or less similar. So on Thursdays mostly I go for like my market visit, you know, to South Bombay, and like I just walk a lot. That has happened. Of course, I tried having a lot of lemon water, which just feels so incredibly amazing. Also, I don't know if you believe in this or not, but even if you've got like some like energy situations, like good bad vibes or energies of sorts, as much as you keep drinking lemon water, it will keep you strong from within instead of just putting like some evil eye or charms. Yeah, it's detoxing, strengthening, protecting, and all of that from within, which is amazing. And otherwise, I've had like a reasonably high intensity resistance training. Mentally, I have like a trademark situation, I have like a product making situation, I have like 20,000 other odd things going on, wherein invariably if you're trying to build something from scratch, besides like the usual transactional things that probably like 70% of the world does, you should just get habituated to listening to a lot of no's and like hitting like dead ends very often. Like in a lot of my videos, you'll see this movement come by. Internally, I know for a fact that I am the strongest, bravest, and fiercest human being I have ever known. And also, I think I look not bad. This is my day 1 completed, and I look forward to the rest of the 10 days. Okay, so I have exactly 3 minutes to do this video. So it's day 2 of my water fast, and I was just thinking aloud, you know, when in my previous season of making videos, like I was just trying to make Netflix documentaries like with like legendary cinematic value, which sort of just like over exhausted me a little too much. It's a Friday. Friday is actually like my most favorite day in the week, because today is when I usually break like my 48-hour fast by going to the Ayyappa temple and eating like the prasad, which is like the greatest tasting dessert, food, nutrition blessing ever. Of course, I'm keeping up with like my ritual of going to the temple. I will not be having the prasad, which like low-key hurts. Somewhere in my mind I know that I am not supposed to be having okay, the train came like a little too soon than I'd expected. I'll see. Okay, so like I was saying before the metro came, okay, somewhere at the back of my mind, I know that what I am doing right now is something that probably just 3 to 5% of the population would ever attempt. So that's already something very extraordinary. So I have to put extra efforts, and that requires certain sacrifices. So yeah, my mind just keeps saying that, Isha, you're doing something so legendary. Keep at it, keep at it. I am on my way to the Ayyappa temple. And today was nice. Somewhere, like I said, the mind conditioning's already happened. Baki work was as usual, yeah. Like every time I just don't want to keep saying that fasting is like the greatest thing ever of sorts. You already know that. हाँ, कुछ जानना और उसको actually करना is where, you know, like the entire difference stays. Where the fuck is my card? Also, I forgot to mention कि like the vegetable vendors around home know that it's like that time of the year. So wherein ironically summer के time के अंदर lemons just get so expensive. But I think for the amount of inner, outer, body, fat loss, skincare, mental health, energy, everything else that a lemon intake does for you, it's literally nothing. So considering that all of us end up paying so much of money over energy drinks and skincare, like 95% of it doesn't even make sense. Lemons justified. आज हम पहुंच गए हैं 3rd day पे of my water fast, and maybe I look similar because I am again at a metro station between 2 places. But yeah, so आज का दिन ठीक था. Usually Saturday is like my Monday in some way, at least at the gym, क्योंकि मैं I start with like a heavy back workout, which is something that I really look forward to. Besides the withdrawal symptoms for the gym, I think I've had like an amazing Saturday again. I don't know, somehow my skin feels a lot clearer, brighter. I don't know, everything else. I've just been having a lot of lemon water, black coffee, going around things as usual. I had gone to Khar today, like sort of just like did some crisscross with metros and stuff. That felt great. And what else? In fact, you know, so there are some of like my very fond clothes, which I don't know, like size wise I'm the same, but you know, mentally I always like wearing them, you know, on a Saturday or probably immediately after like a prolonged fast. And you know, like the very next day of my prolonged fast, I think I look significantly leaner, better, brighter, fresher, detoxed from the rest of the times. So, oh God, I think I got down, like no, I think I just came down on like the wrong side of the metro, but what the hell, yeah. I think we can walk, the weather's not really as bad. Just that I've just been drinking so much of water. I always want to pee, yeah, so that's probably just like a collateral situation that you have to deal with. Which, yeah, Bombay's pleasantly not hot, you know, for like March end. And bus, fasting rocks. So आज का ये वाला वीडियो हम मेट्रो स्टेशन के वॉशरूम से शूट करने वाले हैं. मेरा दिन अमेजिंग था. दिस वाज डे 4 ऑफ माय वाटर फास्ट. I went to Kemp's Corner Crossword and it just felt so magical. I also went to Babulnath Temple and energy is like going super strong. There's some stupid pain in my this, and I really hope it gets better because there's only so much cream and bandage that I can put. Baki sab theek, I will keep you posted. So guys, here was my experience of the first few days of water fasting. अगले पार्ट में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि मेरा water fasting के बाकी के दिन कैसे गए and how was the experience of me breaking my fast and having like the first morsel of food after 12 days. I think my expression said a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. I hope you have an amazing time. And by the way, you should totally try water fasting. First day when you decide to start walking will not be the day you would want to climb the Everest. So baby steps, dheere dheere, but water fasting is amazing and I will see you soon.